Hey, show choir. It is so nice that we're all going to get to interact with each other digitally and virtually. I just want to let you know I miss all of you so much, and I hope that you're all safe and sound and still singing and dancing around your houses, and we're going to have a lot of fun. So this is a really quick little introduction on how to use FlipGrid. So I'm going to share my screen with you so you'll be able to see each step of how it is. It's really easy. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go on to flipgrid.com. And when you're here, you are going to first, let's go here. So you're just going to go to flipgrid.com. And when you're here, you're going to see these smiling faces, and then you'll see enter a flip code. Our flip code is flynnshowchoir. This will all be in the email too. So then you enter that, and it'll bring you to this page. And then you put in your username ID. Everyone already has this. It's the first two letters of your first name and the first two letters of your last name. So for example, Jane Smith would be J-A-S-M, Jane Smith. So that would be the username. And then you hit let's go. So here we are in let's go. And the first thing we're going to ask you to do is to just record a response right here. So all you have to do is just hit record a response. I'm going to do that. So I hit it. And then it brings you to this screen, which is loading. And I'm going to say, hello, show choir. So excited to sing and dance with you. Woo! Oh, so that was my practice. Now I get to try it for real. Hello, show choir. I get to sing and dance with you. Woo! So you get to, so then that way you can try. I did a pause, and then you just hit next. Now I get to try it for real. Hello, show choir. I get to sing and dance with you. Woo! So you get now there. So you get to see how it looks. If you like it, take a selfie of yourself, however you want. Yay! There you go. Hit next. And that's it. So we're just asking that you give it a try, say hello. This will be my display name. This is hello. You don't have to worry about anything else. Submit video, all done. So we're going to ask that you go through doing this when we're doing different dances and songs, so then that way it feels kind of like we're doing it together. If you don't want to do that, that's totally fine. No problem. This is just an optional way so that we can see each other, and then you can respond to each other too. Very excited to work with all of you, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.